Hey guys, today's Friday the 13th at 4:12 p.m. I am at T.Foust's house. We're attempting a repair test on this wind damaged shingle right here. I'm looking around so you can see that I'm at the correct house. This is his house. I'm going to go ahead and try to repair this. As you can see, before I even start, there's a lot of wear and tear. There's a lot of granule loss, but we're going to have to try to take this shingle off. And so let's get started here. I'm going to start by going sideways on these shingles. I don't want them to rip here, so I'm taking some pressure off. Start with this one. Sideways motion so they don't rip. Alright. I'm doing this on a 65-degree weather day. So it's not too cold and they won't hopefully snap on me. Alright, we're going to start by removing the nails that are holding this shingle. This shingle is falling apart. Alright, we almost got all the nails here. Now, of course, they're still hanging on through the top. So we're going to move on, take these off as well. Oh my God, as you see, these shingles are so brittle that they're falling apart as you're trying to repair them. I'm simply just trying to take a nail out, and this is already not, it's just falling apart as you attempt to repair it. So we're gonna keep going here though. Okay, I'm thinking that's gonna let us get this shingle out. All right, there's something somewhere. Okay, we got a shingle still on this one. Okay. All right, shingle is out. This is the shingle that the RLS report told me to use. As you can see, it's completely overlaps it. But I know what you guys are going to say to cut it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure it sticks in there and just going to overlap a little bit. Because I am not trying to show you guys that it can be cut. I'm just trying to prove to you that this roof cannot be repaired. So we're going to use the snake bar here. Going to drive it in. Go over it. Alright. We're going to go back in here. Gotta go back on top. All right. Keep going here. Placed in there. We hit it down. All right. One more shingle, one more nail here. Right at the edge. It's going in. Alright, so I haven't even done this one yet, and you can already see an obvious crease in these shingles. I mean, it is clear as day obvious. It was not there when we started. I haven't took my eyes